Assalamualaikum friend. Today we create PowerPoint photo frame with the help of different techniques. First of all, we see what we do. Three photo frames and different techniques. Let's start with video tutorial. Control N. New slide open. Layout blank. Go to text. Press here. Shift I. Control A. Change font size. Press here. Road range and increase font size. Type here 250. Enter. Now we duplicate this I, but Control A, Control C, Control V. Control A, go to format and merge shape in the union. Now once again Control A, Control D and Control D. Control A, go to shape and union. Now we shape fill image from file and insert our desired image. You can insert your own image. First design is complete, and once again go to text size, press O, shift A, so Control A, change here font size, road rich, increase font size, press here 250, it's okay, and press select O, Control D. You see this is a sender type. Control A, select all shape and remove here the previous file. Reduce zoom size and go to format and merge. Here is a union. Once again our design is ready to insert another video in another image. Shape, image, insert image. Okay, second design is ready now. And the last design, go to shape, in press first of all frame, reduce size and go to align, center, align, middle, and go to shape outline. Is there no outline? Go to rectangle, roll shift and increase it. First of all rectangles, rotate it, reduce size, increase as per align, center, line, center, align, middle. Go to shape, no outline. Both sides select, go to shape and here is a fragment. Now go to select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 shapes select. Change color. Once again. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, seventh. Yellow size, Control G. Press here, fill shape and go to image. You can add your own image, but I have downloaded only one image on sply.com. For beautiful, change here, small circle, small cube here. Control G, one design, two, and third design. I hope in this tutorial you learned something new. So I request my all new friends, please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel with your family and friends, and please press bell icon for more updates and our new videos. Thanks for watching.